All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I got a case I want to share, and it's from THINBORNE. It is for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now, THINBORNE did send this over, and I appreciate them doing so. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. THINBORNE is in the same lane as some other OEMs that do ultra thin cases. And there's no exception that they're doing very well. So I'm going to show you the THINBORNE here for the Z Flip 7. So you got all your typical warnings and your warranty cards. Again, phenomenal packaging that they've been doing lately. And we've got the two pieces here. We've got the front and we have the back. And we'll put those right there. Now, this does come with a screen protector, but I don't know if it's going to be the full. Yeah, it is. Okay, so it's not the same as what Rinky has done, but it is the kind that is going to separate the glass. At least it's going to go all the way around the frame. So I won't be installing that, but it does come in the packaging. So just be sure about that. I'll just put on a Rinky tempered glass. And I'll admit, I do like the way the Rinky separated the entire frame around there. But you do have a tempered glass in here. You got some of these extra adhesive if you might need them. I don't think you will, though. I've never needed them. And then you have some warnings there. And then you have a screen protector installation kit there. So, yeah, another nice packaging here from THINBORNE, man. They are doing their thing. And we're going to go ahead and pop all these little strips off. Again, big misunderstanding, I think, with the adhesive on here. This adhesive does not leave any kind of residue. And by the way, folks, this video has been recorded with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So these things here are simply just to help provide a little grip, but you don't have to use them. And I don't use them all the time. When I have folding cases, I have some folding cases that don't come with all those little strips of adhesive in there. And it's just a thing. These companies, they do it, I guess, to provide some extra, protection along here, just in case, for a little bit of more oomph, for keeping your phone in place. But I just don't think you need it. I've used them before and just didn't need it. And you don't technically need it. So put this out of the way here. And as you can see here, MagSafe technology. In the previous video for the Fold 7, people really want to see the MagSafe, folks. It's really not much to it. It's just the MagSafe technology. It doesn't, it's a strong magnet on all of these Armor Kevlar cases. So I'm going to go ahead and clean out the back here. And I'll pop the back on. And I always go in like this so I can push upwards. And again, with the residue, some people think that you might have. There's no residue with these cases, folks. They just go on nice and simple. And they come off easy, too. That is a good looking. That is a good looking case, folks. Look at that. Oh, man, I think I put it on a little crooked. There we go. Okay, that was me. I put it on a little crooked. I thought it lifted my glass, but it didn't. Now, what you'll notice with the tempered glass, the cases for the Z Flip 7, you're going to have raised lip, just like on the other OEM that I did a video on. It's a raised lip around the camera, just in case you don't have any camera protection. But I do have camera protection on here because I have some camera lens protectors on here. So let's get this open here. Make sure nothing private is showing. But along the front here, again, you got a little small lip protection around there and on this side too, but this phone has extra padding around the front bezels there. So this is a sleek case, and you've got some very faint THINBORNE branding right there. And this is going to be one that, you need to make sure your ports are open for all the microphones. And remember, this phone has an additional microphone right here. And then you've got 4 on here, just like before, but make sure all your ports and everything are cut out. And what you're left with is one of the best looking, if I can get that thing to seat right, one of the best looking phones and one of the best looking cases. Yeah, this thing is incredible. Very nice. So again, you could lay it down flat like this, or you could lay it down flat like that. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab yours. Hope you guys enjoyed Z Flip 7 THINBORNE. I'll see you in the next video. Link to purchase is down below for your phone and the case.